वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो कैपिटल गेन सीरीज का 24th नंबर का वीडियो है। In this video we are going to learn about capital gain exemption on transfer of assets in case of shifting of industrial undertaking from urban area to any special economic zone section 54GA। वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि आप वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहें जिससे कि आपको पूरी जानकारी प्राप्त हो सके। तो चलिए हम वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। द ब्रीफ प्रोविजंस एंड साइलेंट फीचर्स ऑफ सेक्शन 54GA regarding availability of exemption or deduction on capital gain arises on transfer of asset in cases of shifting of industrial undertaking from urban area to any special economic zone are as follow. SSE may be any person. Capital assets being machinery, plant or building or land or any rights in building or land used for the purposes of business of an industrial undertaking situated in urban area. Capital gain to arise from transfer of the said capital assets affected in the course of shifting of such industrial undertaking to any specific economic zone, whether developed in any urban area or any other area. Time limit for acquiring new asset. The SSE has within a period of 1 year before or 3 years after the date on which the transfer took place, purchased machinery or plant for the purposes of business of industrial undertaking in the special economic zone to which said undertaking is shifted, acquired building or land or constructed building for the purpose of his business in the special economic zone, shifted the original asset and transferred the establishment of such undertaking to the special economic zone and incurred expenses on such other purposes as may be specified in a scheme framed by central government for the purpose of this section. Treatment of income tax on capital gains arising during the previous year on transfer of capital assets as a result of shifting of industrial undertaking from the urban area to any special economic zone, whether developed in any urban area or any other area, are as follows. If amount of capital gain is greater than the cost and expenses incurred in relation to all or any of the purposes as mentioned in A to D above, the difference between capital gain and the cost of new assets shall be charged under section 45 as income of the previous year. When a new asset is transferred within a period of 3 years of its being purchased, acquired or constructed, then for calculating capital gains, the cost of new assets shall be taken as nil. If the amount of capital gain is less than or equal to the cost of new asset, then capital gain shall not be charged under section 45. When a new asset is transferred within a period of 3 years of its being purchased, acquired or constructed, then for calculating capital gains, the cost of new assets shall be reduced by the amount of the capital gains. Capital gain deposit account to avail exemption deduction under section 54GA. The capital gains not appropriated by SSE towards the cost and expenses of the new assets within 1 year before the date on which the transfer of the original asset took place or not utilized on or before the date of furnishing return of income under section 139 subsection 1, the assessee or taxpayer can deposit capital gains in capital gain deposit account opened and maintained in any nationalized bank before due date of filing of income tax return, and return to be accompanied with the proof of such deposit. The capital gains so deposited, together with the amount already utilized by the assessee for the new asset, shall be deemed to be the cost of new assets. Withdrawal of capital gain exemption or deduction. In case deposited amount is not wholly or fully utilized for new asset within a specified period from the date of transfer of the original asset, then amount not so utilized shall be charged under section 45 as income of the previous year, in which the period of 3 years from the date of transfer of the original asset or property expires, and assessees shall be entitled withdraw such amount in accordance with the scheme. ये वीडियो अब यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने कमेंट देते रहिए जिससे कि मैं इस वीडियो को और भी अच्छी तरह से बना सकूं। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।